we will discuss user interface of multimeter. This is display area. This is selection area. This is transistor testing area. This is connecting area. This is positive and negative probes. Before using multimeter, check whether it is working or not. Take a multimeter, move the selector switch on continuity. Short both probes. When negative and positive terminal met, meter will produce sound. It's mean multimeter is okay and ready for use. How to measure resistance with the help of multimeter. Take a multimeter. Arrow, point out measuring range of resistance, which is 200 ohms to 2000 kilo ohm. Here is ohm sign, which tells us if we are measuring resistance. The red probe should be connected here. Select the maximum range of resistance. Take a resistor, which value we need to measure. Connect the probes. Meter display shows resistance value, which is 0, 2.1. If we got 0 in the beginning, it means our resistance value is not okay. We need to change resistance range with selector switch. We have selected 200K. At this range, display shows 16.2 kilo ohm value. We know that 16.2 kilo ohm is less than 20 kilo ohm. For accurate value we have to select 20 kilo ohm range with selector switch. Now display shows 15.21 kilo ohm, which is correct resistance value. Let's take another resistor to measure resistance. When connect probes, display shows 1 reading. It's mean our resistor value is greater and our selected range is less. So, I am selecting 200K range. Multimeter display shows 21.70 kilo ohm. It's a correct value. How to measure DC voltage. We have a multimeter to measure DC voltage. Blinking line shows DC voltage section. Arrow shows voltage range which we can measure. Here is volt sign. It's mean if we are going to measure voltage, red probe should be connected here. Not to here. I am taking 9 volts battery and using this battery to measure DC voltage. Small terminal is positive and large terminal is negative. We know that this battery is 9 volts, so we need to select 20 volt range. If we don't know voltage of battery, we should select maximum voltage range of multimeter firstly, then decrease in need. Connect positive terminal of battery to the red wire and negative terminal of battery to black wire. Display showing 8.90 volts. This is how we can measure DC voltage. How we can measure AC voltage with the help of multimeter. We have a multimeter. To measure AC voltage, connect black probe to here. And red probe to here. Blinking line show AC voltage section. And arrow show voltages range which we can measure. Select 750 volts range. Take a AC connection to measure AC voltage. Put probes into the extension lead connection. Multimeter is showing 227 volts. This is how we can measure AC voltage. How to measure DC current with a multimeter. Take a multimeter. Always connect black wire of multimeter to here. Connect red wire of multimeter to here. Not to here. Maybe load consume more current. So, select the maximum range of DC current. Maximum measuring range is 10 amperes. Take 9 volts battery. Take an incandescent lamp. Connect black wire of incandescent lamp to positive terminal of battery. Connect black wire of multimeter to negative terminal of battery. After that connect red wire of incandescent lamp to positive probe of multimeter. Circuit is completed and current is flowing from negative terminal to positive terminal of battery through the incandescent lamp. That flowing current, we are measuring. Multimeter display showing 0.9 ampere. That are consuming incandescent lamp. Always connect multimeter in series of circuit to measure current. This is how we can measure DC current. Lastly, we will check continuity with multimeter. We have a multimeter. To check continuity, connect black probe to here and red probe to here. In this animation, we are checking continuity of a fuse. To measure continuity, move selector switch to here. Now connect the probes of meter to side edges of fuse. If meter show reading near to 0, its mean circuit is completed and fuse is OK. This is how we can measure continuity. Thanks for watching this animation.